So remember, you're watching this video if you feel like you need some support when it comes to doing the independent work for today's work. So what you were supposed to do is watch the video and think about troubles, especially the ones that repeat. So remember, we are eventually looking for 4 points, and excuse me, 3 points, and you are supposed to give an explanation after you put each point. So here's my exemplar. Remember, if you want a 4, you would do both the boy and the girl. If you're shooting for a 3, you would pick one, either the boy or the girl. So let's start with the boy. The trouble, he says he's tired of drama. He holds up that sign across the lawn from Taylor Swift. This could show that he's over his current situation with his girlfriend. Like, we don't really know what's going on yet, but he seems like he's over something. Then fast forward, we see him coming off the field and his girlfriend is talking to another boy, and this is maybe the drama that he was referring to earlier, and he seems really hurt by her actions. I also want to point out that I didn't write about this, but you could also choose to write about when she pulls up in the car, because her attitude seems very dramatic and like she's trying to make blonde Taylor Swift jealous. And I just provided a little hint here for a possible next point that you can put for a trouble that is repeating itself. Moving on to the girl, some of the troubles that come up for her is he closes the curtain before she could tell him I love you, and seems like she's been feeling that way for a while. So she's having some trouble expressing her feelings. Then we see sitting at the park bench thinking to myself, she continues to not be able to express her feelings. She's thinking to herself about how they're perfect together, but she's not able to say that out loud to him. Um, and then I wanted to provide this hint for you in case you're having trouble thinking of the next trouble that repeats itself. You could think about what happens when he asks her if she's coming to the dance at first. What's her response at first? There's a little hint for you. Remember, you do have to go do one independently now. You can definitely use the hints that I gave you to help you out with that. Thank you for listening.